Welcome my dear students. This is the last part of chemical properties of amines. Aliphatic amines are over. Now come to aromatic amines. Similar reactions are observed. Then in aniline, what is the special area? On benzene ring, some reactions are taking place like you studied in the first year as Friedel-Crafts alkylation, nitration, sulfonation. Such reactions are to be here followed with more or less similarities. Clear? So this is electrophilic substitution reactions of aniline. Right. In aniline, how is NH2 group influencing the new coming electrophile? As NH2 group has electron donating group and it enriches the electron cloud of benzene ring. So it is ortho para directing group due to directing group towards electrophilic substitution reactions. Right, what are those substitution reactions? One by one we have to take. Halogenation you have studied. This is bromination. First one is bromination. Due to more polarity of aniline, here catalyst is not required. Itself bromine is ionized by aniline, and what is observed? Take aniline, bromine, generally bromine water dissolved in water, that is bromine in water is the meaning, bromine water. Then what is observed? As it is already ortho-para directing group and this Br2 is ionized by highly polarized NH2 group, therefore without presence of the catalyst, then what is noticed? Benzene ring, NH2 as it is, and Br plus electrophile is attacking on ortho position, para position and ortho position, second position, fourth position and sixth position. So Br, Br and Br. How do you name this one? NH2 is the number one carbon and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 2, 4, 6 tribromo as usual anyway. If you are interested, it is taken as 3 moles and 3 HBr. Towards competitive point of view, what is the electrophile formed here? Electrophile formed is, your answer is Br2 is ionized under the influence of aniline and you will get bromonium ion, Br+. This is for competitive point of view. Now, we want only mono substitution rather than one, and this 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, which is in white color. A white precipitate is resulted. White precipitate is formed when aniline is treated with bromine water. Yes, this is a question for 2 marks in PU examination. So better to prepare towards that examination, that is important. Next, same bromination is happening. Before bromination, what is the reaction? previous reaction we have to recall. This is aniline, first treated with acetic anhydride CH3CO taken twice O. As what is also used? Pyridine is also used. And here one H is removed, CH3CO group is introduced, previously we discussed. Then the compound is NH and new group is COCH3. Its name is acetonylide. Due to resonance of CO group with NH, then the nitrogen acquires positive charge and this benzene is a little bit deactivated, and now at this stage what we are doing? Bromine dissolved in acetic acid. Here the solvent is water, polar solvent, of course it is also polar, less polar, it is more polar. Then here this NH2 group is protected by acetylation and Br2 ortho position is crowding, not possible, therefore para position is only allowing. Then what we have to write? This is Br and here NHCOCH3. At this stage, we are going to regenerate the functional group by hydrolysis. In the presence of acid medium or in the presence of basic medium, this group is regenerated. Previously we discussed it. Then the answer is NH2, it becomes, here what is removed? CH3, COOH is removed, and here what is attached? Br is attached at only one position. Here three positions completely occupied, here selectively attacked, and its name is para P or 4. 4 is IUPAC name, 4-bromoaniline. Para bromoaniline is the name of the compound. Over. This is about bromination in two different cases. These two reactions at once we have to study like this. Yes, this is for CET point of view. This is aniline, Br2 water, compound A. This is first acetic anhydride. This CH3CO group is CH3CO group is represented as shortcut AC. Acetyl, that is acetyl. Shortcut representation sometimes happening, don't get confusion. Acetic anhydride. Second step is bromine in acetic acid. Third step is hydrolysis. B. What are A and B? Yes. What are A and B? Your answer is? Yes, the answer is available at the top. A is 2,4,6 white precipitate 2,4,6-tribromoaniline, and B is here para-bromoaniline. Over. This is the information towards bromination in two different conditions. Better to practice thoroughly in this way. The next reaction is nitration. What is a nitration mixture? The nitration mixture is concentrated H2SO4 plus concentrated HNO3 is 1, and the electrophile is what you have studied. Previous chapters also studied, first year also studied. By the combination of these two, you will get a NO2 plus ion, nitronium ion. Nitronium ion is the electrophile, attacks on that one. Now check. This is aniline, is treated with concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3. What is produced? The temperature you are maintaining is 288 Kelvin temperature, very low temperatures we are maintaining. Then the electrophile NO2 plus attacks at what position? Answer is, as usual, you are expecting ortho-para directing group, therefore NH2 at ortho position. Next, NO2 group at para position, and surprisingly we are getting a compound which is not expected in a normal way or common way, that is meta position. Yes, this is important product towards examination, and the percentage of yield is also given, that is to be collected. Now what you are observing, in the nitration of aniline, generally we are expecting only two products, that is orthonitроaniline and paranitroaniline. But here metanitroaniline, and experimentally how much percentage of products are produced, observed, only 2% produced. This is less, and it is explained on the basis of steric hindrance. Crowding is the problem, and in this case NO2 group enters at 4th position, and why this compound metanitroaniline is more in number, that is to be collected. The reaction is carried out in which medium? Acid medium. Here the statement is, in the above reaction, metanitroaniline is formed with a considerable amount like paranitroaniline. Why this metanitro is also nearly equivalent amounts of paranitroaniline is formed? The reason is very simple. The reaction is carried out in which medium? Acid medium. So therefore, in acid medium, yes, aniline forms anilinium ion. Anilinium ion which is where NH3 plus group is dash directing group. This is electron withdrawing group. This is electron withdrawing group. So where NH3 group is electron withdrawing group. Over. This is important information. You better to prepare for PU as well as competitive examination. Over. This is a question for competitive. These are the things you have to write. That is enough. We want only a particular product. How? Previous case we observed, that is production of functional group by acetylation and following the same reaction, that is to be taken immediately. Yes, now observe, aniline is now react with acetic anhydride in the previous case, that is AC2O, and in the presence of a base. Then here what is removed? Acetic acid is removed. Then this NH2 group is protected. You can write alternate double bonds or a ring inside that one, no problem at all. And here this is NH. One hydrogen is substituted by AC group. AC group is COCH3. What is its name? Acetonylide. Acetyl group, aniline group, the name is designed like that, acetonylide. Now do the reaction, that is concentrated sulfuric acid, nitric acid, maintaining 288 Kelvin temperature, same thing. And due to bigger group and this ortho position is crowded, statically hindered, then what is observed? What you are copying? NH is copied, COCH3 copied, copying part, modification part. Then NO2 electrophile attacks on selectively para position. Second position is statically hindered. Then this is regenerated by heating with acid or a base. So this group is removed as acetic acid. Aqueous means in the presence of water. Then benzene ring as usual, NH2 as usual, and NO2 only on para position. This para nitroaniline or 4-nitroaniline IUPAC name, whereas para-nitroaniline common name. Now, these previous reaction, present reaction, both are at once to be compared. Yes, this is for CET purpose. Names are different, CET, NEET, JE, all are purposeful areas. NH2 with nitration, 288 Kelvin, product A. Here the first one is acetic anhydride base 2 nitration 3 hydrolysis B. Now what are A and B? As A is available in the previous case and B is now you are watching from the board. So answer is A. Answer C6. No, it should be draw the structure. Benzene ring, A as major product. A as major product. What is major product? Ortho, meta, para. Para is major. And here also it is major product. Only one product, that is NH2, NO2. That is. Here 3 different products are produced: ortho, nitroaniline, paranitroaniline, metronitroaniline. But major product, if it is asked like this, you just do in this way.